Hello, Andrew from Filteroo here today, and in this video I would like to introduce you to the Filteroo 5.5-inch Rain and City Water Carbon Block Gravity Water Filter Cartridge. This is a carbon block cartridge suitable to be used in any gravity water filter it will fit inside. It is 144mm high and 60mm wide in diameter. It is the perfect solution for any Filteroo Blue, Filteroo Ceramic or any other gravity water filter which is used to filter rainwater from a water tank or treated city tap water. It is a great choice with the standard 12.5mm threaded end to install into any gravity water filter, so long as that gravity water filter top tank has a minimum hole size of 12.5mm or a maximum hole size of 20mm. If you are filtering rainwater, it is great as it will stop all the bugs and bacteria in your water, whilst at the same time it protects you from any heavy metals such as lead that may wash in off your roof. You will hear people say how lovely rainwater is, but rainwater tastes even better once it is filtered down through a big block of carbon like this. Then, for treated city water, you'll have the same great protection from bugs and bacteria, and it also removes common contaminants like chlorine and chloramines. Plus it will protect you from any heavy metals such as lead that may be in the water. This Filteroo Rain and City Water Carbon Block Gravity Water Filtration Cartridge is made from the highest quality catalytic carbon. It combines mechanical filtration and physical adsorption processes to reduce a wide variety of drinking water contaminants. This cartridge has a smooth outer surface compressed to repel any sediments, cysts, bugs or bacteria. The pore structure of the carbon enables sufficient contact time for the cartridge to be ideally suited for improving taste and odor. The cartridges are very easy to replace and only have to be changed over as required or every 12 months, whichever comes first. They have a recommended maximum life of 1,400 liters, or if you use 2 cartridges, it doubles the cartridge life to 2,800 liters. And when you purchase your water filter from Filteroo, we will contact you when your cartridges need to be replaced. Creating magnificent, clean, filtered water for you and your family is the baseline in what we want to provide Australians and all of our customers around the world. So if you are looking for a quality carbon block gravity water filter cartridge at a great price, then we would like to invite you into the Filteroo family to love your water today with the Filteroo 5.5-inch Rain and City Water Carbon Block Gravity Water Filter Cartridge. Thank you, and remember to take a moment to love your water today.